Let's cook preserved radish fried egg today. This home-cooked dish is delicious and goes well with rice and porridge. Fried egg fans, to save this recipe, you will fall in love with this easy recipe. YouTube. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Let's start cooking. Eggs. Preserved radish. Crack eggs into bowl. Beat egg until frothy. Stir-fry preserved radish until fragrant. Pour egg liquid, slip only once bottom solidified. Plate preserved radish fried egg. It's perfect match to fried preserved radish. Fried egg to goes with porridge. There are more delicious fried egg recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are thousands of delicious recipes in my channel. If you love cooking, do follow me now, so you may visit my channel anytime to find inspiration for your cooking. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Eggs are a good source of protein, both whites or yolk. They also contain heart-healthy and saturated fats and are a great source of important nutrients, such as vitamin B6, B12, and vitamin D. Egg protein has been shown to decrease malnutrition, improve muscle health, increase satiety, and therefore contribute to weight loss. It has other additional benefits, including protection against infection, decreases in blood pressure, as well as an anti-cancer effect. Eating 1 to 3 eggs per day can have several health benefits, but this varies from person to person. At this level of consumption, people can expect minimal changes in their cholesterol levels. Eggs can provide a number of health benefits. Strong muscles. The protein in eggs helps maintain and repair body tissues, including muscle. Brain health. Eggs contain vitamins and minerals that are necessary for the brain and the nervous system to function effectively. Chicken eggs are an affordable source of protein and other nutrients. They're also naturally high in cholesterol, but the cholesterol in eggs doesn't seem to raise cholesterol levels the way some other foods, such as those high in trans fats and saturated fats. There are more delicious fried egg recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.